Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable automatic maximize while dragging a Windows on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you are Windows open in a full screen, made you can see still it's around. So if you are rather just disable this functionality, I'm going to show you how to disable it, guys. Go to search menu and type regit, regedit. Here comes registry editor. Click on run as administrator. Click yes. Here you need to go to HKey current user. Here on control panel. In control panel you need to go to desktop. Here is desktop. In desktop, right click, new and string value. In here you need to type capital D RAG, small RAG, F capital R O M, M capital MAXI, MIZT, maximize. Hit enter. Instead you cannot name the finally specified already exit, try another. If you are having already, drag from maximize. If you have it, leave it, guys. Click on it, drag from maximize, click here, 1 to enable it, 0 for disable it. If you want to disable that functionality, click it on 0, save it on 0. You want to enable it, value data be 1 is for enable, 0 is for disable. Click OK. Need to make changes, for you need to go and restore your PC. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope this tutorial help you. Thanks for watching my video, guys.